Back, see what he does. Oh, he can move. I'm like just sitting here petting the bird. Yeah, fucking right, I'm picking him up. A fucking nail peck me. He's running. Oh, he's like fucking up. Stop it. Stop. Stop. I'm here to help. I'm here to help. I don't know how bad it's gonna hurt when it pecks me. But it's gonna hurt really bad when he pecks me. It's like a wild pecker. There. Easy.
Dude, that car came over the hill, I was like this. Dude, I can do anything I want right now.
Oh, it got right out of me as soon as I was trying to do it.
I'll grab him right now.
It's gonna fucking fuck you up, dude. But no, don't even chase it. You just make it worse. It's gonna hurt himself more than what you're gonna do to it to help him out. Trust me. Don't pick him up.
That's fine, dude.
Here, set him up here.
He knows I can fucking sue like that.
How's it?
So you give me respect. You're fine,
Let's
dude.
go at my house.
You're fine.
Hey. Oh, you just jumped right in up in my house.
Oh, fuck. Yeah, get him the fuck out of your house, dude. We'll have a fuck.
We can just scare him out. As long as I get him on this side, I'm fine. You just need to not. You're blocking the only way out. Don't even show yourself that you're over there. Block this way. Go.
Go outside, dude. You're still from here on out. You're fine. Go on, dude. Go on. I know, not that he felt.
He like understands.
As soon as I grabbed him, he was like, ew, my heart squashed. No, it didn't. You just gotta fucking calm down. Come on. I hope birds take more respect than humans after this. He's a reflection.
Out of here. Out. I like want to like this to be on video like that. This bird's in my house. Like no one's gonna believe this story. No, he doesn't even want to leave. He's like, dude, it hurts. Stop. You're not gonna hurt me. You should chill out. Let me show you everything. Okay, yeah, this is the other part. The video's still going. This bird is just like in my house right now. Like this is like my house. This is the street. This is my house, and we're inside my house. And here's my bird. He's just chilling. Come on, scooch. I know you're hurt. You gotta get out of my house though. Come on. He doesn't want to go anymore, dude.
Well, lizards are gonna eat him if you don't.
I know. There's reptilians in here.
Just push him out, dude.
Come on. Keep it going. Come on. Keep it going. One more step. Couple more steps.
He knows what you're doing. He's like,
I know. He's like
comfortable where I'm at.
Come on.
That's
Keep
what
going.
it is. That's crazy.
He's not. Come on, go, bro. Go, bro.
Dude, holy fuck, he knows my fucking
No,
feeling.
he's going. Come on, get up. Up. Come on. He's like, no, dude, come on, please, just go.
Are you sure you saw him run into a telephone pole?
Okay, to be honest, I don't know what I saw, but I did see him fall. I looked up and I saw the bird falling. That's all I saw. I don't know.
I don't think he's hurt at all.
He's hurt.
I don't think he's hurt at all.
He has to be hurt. He's not flying.
Yeah, no, maybe he's just not scared.
I guess.
I saw him flap his wings. He flopped his wings like perfectly as soon as you pushed him. Like literally, some birds you can put them on your hand. You put your hand out.
But this is like
some birds fly up to your hand, dude. That's just the way it is.
Oh my god, this doesn't even make sense. You're hungry. I know you should have fucking ate that sausage I gave you. I don't even care if you're allowed to eat it or not. I know you eat meat.
He can't eat what we're eating. He's like, I'm just waiting for a worm.
I'm just waiting for a worm. I can't even fucking find worms for you, bro. I didn't know where to fucking look for.
Honestly, when I picked him up, I thought he was gonna peck the shit.
Yeah, I know. The second you picked him up, I was like, that's fucking bad move.
I didn't even care either. I was like, go ahead, dude. Like, he could tell that I didn't care. You know what I mean? So
Yeah.
he didn't bite. I grabbed him up. I could have squeezed the fucking life out of him.
Buddy.
I know, I think about, I could have taken your life in a second. I don't even know why I think that.
I know, he just didn't even think that's a possibility. He's like, I don't doubt it.
That's not what he's thinking at all. He's like, I know you could squeeze the life out of me. At the same time, if you're fucking...
This is the calmest bird I've ever... Like, he's
Dude,
like...
ever.
He doesn't give one shit. I've never touched him on his belly. Ah, shit, you touched him. Oh, he didn't like that.
He didn't like it.
Oh, he's gonna get hit by a car. No. No, he's gonna get hit by the car. He's gonna cross the
Definitely didn't like the belly rub.
Oh, he's inside his...
Fly?
No, he's inside his car. He just looked out. He's underneath his truck, and it was like, I'm a bear.